If you feel that you have let yourself go, say you're having issues with low energy, weight gain, poor sleep, or poor digestion, or even foggy brain and pain, just know that you are not alone. Now is the time for you to regain your health and vitality, all with the help of Dr. Sophie Jacob, and she joins us now along with her patient, Irene Diaz. It's so great to have both of you here.
Great, thank you so much.
Of course, and so, you have made such a difference in people's lives in a lot of different ways, and Irene, we'll talk about your story here shortly,
Sure.
but Doctor, let's start with you first. How can anyone of any age lose weight and inches and regain some of that youthfulness that they may be missing?
Yes, well, I have been helping patients with their health and weight loss for a while, over 28 years now, and the technology I use is FDA cleared and it is safe. It will give you immediate results. I guarantee you will lose 2 inches on your very first session, or you walk out owing me nothing. It is safe and it helps with weight loss. And all you do is, no exercise is required, and all you do is you lay down and you relax. That's it. No cutting needle, no surgery. And people will wake up after 20 minutes from a nap and lose 2 inches of body fat.
Wow.
Okay. And the other benefit is it helps your body detox for another 2 days every session. So it does have profound health benefit. It also helps with saggy aging skin, cellulite. It improves your skin tone. It is the only technology that can give you these kind of results.
That's so advanced, and there's a lot to your program. Can you give us a few highlights on how you help people with other things like their energy, their sleep, and their digestion?
Well, absolutely. Well, my program, it is designed to correct and restore any underlying problem a person may have with their metabolism, and it also decreases inflammation. Every time you decrease inflammation, you protect and reduce an aging process. And diet have a 90 to 95% failure rate. In order for your weight loss to be successful, there's 5 metabolic factors to be addressed. Otherwise, your weight loss will be temporary. And those are pH, toxins, nutritional deficiency, hormone balancing, and insulin resistance. So when the body can assimilate the right nutrient, it will start repairing the tissue involved, and that programs and makes you healthier. It helps with your weight loss and sustain your weight loss, and also slow down the aging process. So what we're seeing is that it does dial back the clock about 10 years in as little as 6 weeks, and I see it in my patients. So they have that glow, improves function, they focus, their clarity and focus is improved. They have less pain, less inflammation, they have improved digestion, and they fit into their clothes, which is what people want.
Yeah, who doesn't want that? I mean,
Exactly.
you may have been trying to fit into a pair of pants from even just a few years ago, and to be able to do that, it must feel so great. And so on top of everything you've already shared with us, one of the great things about you having done this for so long is that you have stayed up to date on the trends. You stay with the latest. And so you are offering a new cutting edge treatment that you want to tell us about.
Absolutely, yes. I'm very excited. I offer new peptide treatments for patients available. I have that available, and peptides, what they are amino acids, okay? So those amino acids are in sequence that will target very specific function in your body. So as an example, so let's see, we have a peptide to help fat reduction. Well, it will do just that. Now another peptide will be, for example, helping with blood sugar regulation and also food cravings, which equals weight loss. And another one will be to help reset the gut and brain axis. And what that does, it helps patients who have chronic heartburn, indigestion, diarrhea, constipation, also chronic pain and inflammation. So those peptides are, like I mentioned, amino acids. It is safe, natural, and it is changing people's life.
People's lives are just improving so much from this, and Irene, you are one of those people. So tell us your experience a little bit, how your life has improved going through Dr. Jacob's weight loss plan.
My life has improved in many ways. I would say the first one would be like losing inches, fitting into my clothes again.
Yeah.
That I had hanging in my closet for some time right. Because I had been gaining weight, even though I was a very active person and eat healthy all the time. I was not losing those inches around my waist.
Sometimes our bodies just don't respond.
So
to what
that
we want.
it doesn't respond. It responds really well to this treatment.
That's great.
I mean, I'm down 3 sizes now. on that. The inches is where I was able to see the difference.
That's
Yeah.
wonderful. That 3 sizes is huge, and you know there are options out there around weight loss and around health. But what would you say is unique about Dr. Jacobs' program, and what made you gravitate towards it?
I think is Dr. Jacobs knows every person is different, and everybody needs a different treatment probably. And so that's what makes the difference. That she is taking care of each patient, not in a group, but individually.
Tailoring it to what your body's doing,
your
what
body
your body
needs,
needs.
yeah.
That makes so much sense. And of all the things, I mean, you mentioned losing weight, and being able to fit in your clothes. What do you think has you benefited most from going through Dr. Jacobs' program?
I think as far as my health, losing the weight helped me lower my blood pressure as well. I was able to see the difference out there when I'm hiking as well.
Yeah, you're an avid hiker.
My energy and everything. Yeah,
That's so
it's
great.
helped me a lot.
And Dr. Jacob, it's got to
That's
be
good.
encouraging to hear patients like Irene
well,
say
it's
this.
what I do. What I do it's all about helping and having people having better life, transforming their life from the inside out. It is about getting you healthy and getting you to get back to what you love doing. But most importantly, if you need to lose weight, I mean, which is a lot of people, and it is important. You extend your life, you have better quality of life, you can enjoy your life and get your energy back and your health back, and decreasing inflammation to prevent disease.
And everything we're talking about obviously goes a long way to reverse aging and to make us feel more youthful and feel more energetic. But what would you say is the secret to reversing that aging process?
Well, one of many things I offer in my clinic as a chiropractic physician is also adjustments. Get adjusted, because your nervous system controls coordinative function every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. So every time you get an adjustment, it reduces stress. And reducing stress decreases, again, aging process. When you get an adjustment, also it decreases inflammatory markers. Interleukin 6 is an inflammatory marker we have. Every time you get an adjustment, it decreases that. So you decrease inflammation, you prevent disease, you prevent aging. So also it improves your lymphatic system, your immune system, it improves range of motion, it improves your posture, and the better mobility and posture you have is better vitality and health. So I'm here to do one thing and one thing only, is to help you regain your health, your beauty, and your vitality.
Well, every time you come and you say the word posture, I'm like, wait a second,
Yeah.
how am I sitting right now?
Gonna work.
I think I
know.
need to sit
It's
up
important.
a little bit. It is
Yeah.
very important.
It
Well,
does happen by itself once you get the adjustments. I mean, it just naturally happens.
And if someone's never been adjusted before, it is so relieving and it is so relaxing in a lot of different ways. And you have an expert who's going to guide you through it. So Dr. Sophie Jacob, Irene Diaz, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Nice to see you. And as a special for the first 20 callers to dial 520-891-2882, you can save 20% on your first Ultra Slim treatment. That's a value of $197. You're guaranteed to lose 2 inches from your waist, hips, and thighs. Now, this offer also includes a health and weight loss assessment by Dr. Jacob and a free signed copy of her book when you start your program. It's a limited time offer, so make sure to call 520-891-2882 before it's gone.